Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got a January's edition of the Natural Wellness box. This is what it looks like. So before I open it, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just interested in seeing what I received in this month's box, you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. The Natural Wellness box is a UK bi-monthly subscription box. It costs £38 and free shipping within the UK and an additional £9.95 shipping for the rest of Europe. Plus they offer a 6-month subscription for £109 and a 12-month subscription for £218. Inside you will find everything wellness related. You'll find 5 to 7 products ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup, food snacks, supplements and much more. All the beauty products are clean beauty and cruelty free, and their main aim is to make you beautiful and healthy from the inside out. The Natural Wellness box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it. I've been receiving this box now for over a year and I'm really grateful to them. This is a bit of a niche type of box. It's a little bit different to your usual beauty boxes. I love the fact that their main aim is to do with your wellness as a whole. They have given me a code to share with you, which is Diary10, which will entitle you to have 10% off your first box. All links and everything related to this box and my code I'll pop down below in the description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that would bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So I think that's it as far as information goes. Let's get on to showing you what's inside. This is what it looks like. I haven't opened it up yet, so I'll open that up in a little while. But we get a card and it tells you everything about the product, so I'll be referring to this as we go along. But it also gives you the cost as well of all the items, so I'll tot it up at the end to give you an overall value. We've got 6 products inside this month's box, and the theme for this month is the Wake Up collection. So let's see what's inside. Ooh, I love an envelope. What's that? What's in there? I don't know. Okay, I'll put that to the side. So there, I'll just give you a quick sneak peek. But I'm curious to know what's in here. Ah, first item on the leaflet, and it's the tea. I love the packaging. So we've got 3 tea bags by London Nootropics. That's what they look like there. And they've got some information cards there, which I'll talk to you about in a little while. Have a look. So what have we got then? We've got a grind, which is a adaptogenic coffee with lion's mane and rhodiola. I haven't got a clue what that is. Oh, I love things like this, trying different things. Then we got Zen, which is an adaptogenic coffee with CBD and ashwagandha. Then we got Mojo, which is an adaptogenic coffee with cordyceps and ginseng. Alright, so it's natural ingredients made in England and all vegan friendly. And if you're interested in taking a look on their website, which is londonnootropics.com, and use code FLOW10, you can have 10% off any of their products. So yeah, so we've got a card that goes with them all. So the Mojo, it says, this invigorating blend is designed for physical endurance, strength and vitality. And then it goes on to telling you about the ingredients. The grind, this balancing blend helps you find mental clarity, focus and motivation. I need this every morning. I am awful in the mornings, really bad. More so now that we're in lockdown because everyone's at home, so I'm not rushing around school run, shopping and things like that. It's yeah. So then next we've got Zen. I'm assuming this is to be drunk just before bed, but it says this calming blend is designed to promote a sense of peace, combating the effects of stress, tension and irritability. Oh, I really like that. Our CBD is rich in terpenes and beneficial compounds with a broad cannabinoid profile. Its high bioavailability means rapid absorption of its soothing nutrients, which are known for alleviating stress, anxiety and inflammation. Wow, okay. Ashwagandha is a powerful adaptogen that's been used by Ayurvedic practitioners for thousands of years. It's been shown to alleviate anxiety and enhance memory and cognition. Do you know what? I need them throughout the day. I need the Mojo as soon as I wake up. I need the grind for middle of the day when I've got my burst of energy. And I need my Zen then to chill, relax, process the day and unwind and help reduce any anxiety, stress or anything that I may be going through. What an amazing product. I cannot wait to give them a try. They come in a box of 12 and it'll cost you £15. It says barista style coffee blended with the highest quality adaptogens to help you find your flow. And then it goes into telling you what I've just read. Add 1 sachet to a mug of hot water and stir well to dissolve. Drink black or add in your favourite milk and enjoy. I really like that. I really do like that. Okay then, so next onto something that is wrapped up with a little lion label on. What is it? Woo! St. Iris Adriatica. This is a brighten and fortify wake up droplets. It's not droplets, wake up droplets. And yeah, revitalizing concentrate serum with Adriatic Mountain Daisy. Oh, that just sounds lovely. Vitamin C and prebiotic pomegranate enzyme. And there's 100 mils there. Oh, that just sounds gorgeous, doesn't it? And the bottle. That bottle is really, really lovely. Our silky gel in serum drops protect, even and brighten skin tone. And yeah, it's made in the UK. All right then, so let's try a little bit on my hand. See there? Yeah, it feels nice. Feels really, really nice. Has a really nice smell as well. Oh, that's just so lovely. This is an award-winning product, and to purchase this it'll cost you £46. It says here, these award-winning silky gel-in serum drops feel dry to the touch yet soothing and cooling on skin, hydrating and deeply nourishing while gently promoting a brighter, more even tone. Smooth a few drops over clean, dry skin daily. Can also be used on the body and helps to balance hyperpigmented and sun-damaged skin. That's absolutely gorgeous. I really do like it. So we got wake up droplets. Next we have got a product by Isla. I-L-A. Isla? I don't know. That's one thing with this subscription, because most of the products that I receive, I've never heard of the brands before, never tried their products before, so that's exciting in itself, but it also means that I haven't had any practice pronouncing the names, so I'm really sorry for that. I'm really sorry. But this is a face mask for glowing radiance. Rose and argan stem cells, Damascena rose, otto, wild grown argan oil and mineral rich clay. And we've got 50 grams here. Okay, let's get it out and show you. It's like there. Oh, it smells nice. It does smell really nice. Look at that. I absolutely love these type of masks. I love them when they dry down and they show every single pore on your face. It looks awful, but I just love looking at it. And yeah, just love the way they feel. Clay and mud masks are amazing for the skin. Absolutely amazing. This is an Isla Spa face mask for glowing radiance, and to purchase this it'll cost you £35. A wonderful nurturing facial pick-me-up. This mineral rich green clay mask will restore hydration, radiance and luster. No inch of your face is left untreated, with the minerals penetrating the deepest layers of your skin and tightening pores. Apply to a cleansed face and neck for up to 15 minutes. Rinse away using warm water. Use 2 to 3 times per week. Follow with a serum for a more intense skin treatment. So you've got a face mask. Next we've got a sweet treat. This is Natural State Chocolatey, Fudgy and Salty Raw Brownie. Organic, gluten-free and vegan too. Oh, I love it when they add snacks like this. I'm going to have to open it up and show you. Oh, look at that. Look at that chunk. Look at that chunk. Okay. That is so nice. That is so, so nice. I am not keen on raw fruit bars with like dates and things in them, but anything that's, you know, like a chocolate, nut, things like that, I really do like that. I'm going to save that for after. Yeah, it's really nice. So to purchase this, it'll cost you £1.80, and it says a delicious natural raw brownies made by Charlotte and Jess from ingredients from local farmers. Introducing the fudgy and chocolatey brownie with a dash of salt from a local farm in Anglesey, from Wales. Bon appetit, brownie lovers. Yeah, really nice. So is that. So next we've got some bath salts, and this is by Bampton House, and this is to clear the mind, and it contains peppermint, rosemary and lemongrass. Oh, lovely. And yeah, there's 50 grams here and 100% natural ingredients. I know I'm instantly going to love this. Lemon and mint. Oh, gosh, I just love those combinations. Love, love, love those combinations. And also mojito. Mojito, lemons and mints and limes, and oh, I love it. These bath salts are a reviving combination of natural ingredients that help you breathe deeply and relieve mental fatigue. Epsom and the Himalayan salts detoxify and tone the skin and ease muscle tensions. The unique blend of essential oils help to relieve stiff and aching muscles and clear your mind of brain fog. Just lie back and relax. Oh, I'm not having much luck opening this up at all. Oh, I just wanted to smell actually. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love the smell. That is just, oh, I can't wait. I cannot wait. I haven't heard of this one before, so what can I tell you about it? To purchase this bag, it will cost you £6. Yeah, and then it just goes into telling you what I read off the back here. How much do you need to put in a bath? How much do you reckon? Me personally, I'd put the whole lot of that in. See? I was just sprinkling it all in like that, but maybe I only need half of it. I don't know. If you know, please let me know down below. I'm sort of sniff it all the time. And lastly then, we've got here Natalia Botanicals Rise and Shine Natural Energy, and it looks like hot chocolate. Also, it looks a little bit like soil, in all honesty. It looks a little bit like soil with bits in it. So I'm not sure if it's something to drink or something to mix with water to put on your face or body. I can't tell you. Oh, right, okay. All right, it's got information on here, but it's sideways, so I'll have to read it like this. It's to drink. Rise and Shine adaptogens promote a natural energy boost for physical and mental fuel, relieve anxiety and calms your nerves to set up for the day ahead. Each dose added to your favourite beverage recharges your mind and body to shine. Stir up to 1 teaspoon to your favourite drinks, hot or cold, or sprinkle onto granola or add to a bowl of stew. And it says Natalia recommends mixing Rise and Shine with flavours which suit earthy ingredients like tea, coffee, cocoa, protein shakes and juice, etc. But to buy this sachet, it'll cost you £8. How different? How different? Okay, so it does look like soil, but no, it's to put into drinks. Yeah, it just smells like chocolate. So there you go. If they sell them like this, that is quite pricey, I think £8, or unless this is like a little mini, because they've got like a jar there. Maybe the jar is £8, or maybe the jar could be like £50 and this much is worth £8. I'm not too sure. As I said, I don't know anything about this brand, but they've got the website there, nataliabotanicals.co.uk, so I'm sure it will tell me there. But yeah, intrigued. So those are all the products. I'm really loving them. We started off with these coffees, which sound absolutely amazing. Sound really, really cool. So I can't wait to give them a go. I really hope I like them. I really do. Then we've got a bottle of Wake Up Droplets. Then we've got a mineral rich clay mask. Then we got a natural state brownie. Then we've got a pack of Brampton House bath salts. And lastly, we've got this pack of Rise and Shine powders to put in drinks. So yeah, so those are all the products, so I'm just going to add them all up. All the products added up together come in at around £100. It's well above the cost of the box, which is £38. As I said, I'm really chuffed with this January-February box. I think it is really good. There's some amazing products inside. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you subscribe to the Natural Wellness Box? Have you received your box yet? What do you think of it? Or are you watching this wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.